Dear subscribers and visitors of my channel, I want to tell you about another malicious website currently attacking many browsers, both in Windows and Mac computers. And this website is singlyhouts.info. Singlyhouts.info. The website reports a fake alert claiming that you need to do something to enable downloading some file. To be specific, it says, prepare to download, you need to enable browser notifications to start downloading. Obviously, it's a fake alert that only intends to hijack your browser. If you click on the Allow button by mistake, your browser will be soon hijacked by intrusive web push notifications. This means you will start receiving a lot of unwanted pop-up ads randomly in your screen, and you will be redirected to dangerous websites. So, if you click on the Allow button, your browser will be infected very soon. Now, have a look at what needs to be done to deactivate these pop-ups, first of all, manually. So, you click on your browser menu, select Settings, you look at the Advanced section, you select Site Settings and now Notifications, and here in the bottom of the page you'll see this dangerous website. You need to click here and select Remove. Afterwards, I also recommend that you scan your Mac computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It is downloadable through the website combocleaner.com, which is the official page through which you may download Combo Cleaner. After you download Combo Cleaner, you may start it from the Launchpad. Keep in mind that Combo Cleaner has got two versions. One of them is the trial one and the other one is the premium one. The trial one is only has the disk cleaner utility, and the premium one comes with the antivirus function, which is extremely important. So once in the dashboard, click on Start Combo Scan button to initiate the scanning procedure, and finally wait until the scanning results are reported at the end of the scan. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Please stay tuned. Bye.